All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the opening bell. It's a Friday, the last one for this week. It has been a very busy week, a week filled with Middle East conversations. So we are still waiting for, obviously, the reply. We're still waiting for what we spoke about to materialize. All right. So if you guys missed those conversations, you can just look at the previous episodes, this week's episodes. All right. Welcome back, everyone. If you're joining us for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, that like, share button, and comment down below. All right. We're going to keep it very simple this morning. We're going to just put the conversation on the side. We're going to just put the Middle East conversation on the side and just look at other currency pairs which we have not been looking at for a very long time. All right. We will continue the Middle East conversation next week. It's a Friday, just keeping it very simple. We're waiting for the charts to move. We're going to do a bit of update and then, yeah, that will be it for the week. All right. So the focus this morning here is the cross pairs. We've got, most of these, as I already spoke about them in the trading room yesterday. So we're just going to do an update. All right. We've got GBP NZD. We've got GBP NZD, which has gone to that resistance there. That is where we are right now. So we spoke about the market continue this uptrend and railing back to that resistance. All right. So we'll see if it breaks the resistance, if it bounces slightly, but this went according to the analysis. If you also look at GBP AUD, we are still looking for a continuation towards the upside. All right, we are looking at 1.96 as that target. So GBP AUD, we're still expecting some more upside on this one. Euro AUD is almost there. Our target that we spoke about was on the structure right there. It's around 1.68, 1.68. So there is a bit of upside we're anticipating at least today, right? If not next week. One more push to the upside that we're anticipating. So this correction might get a little bit bigger, but we will see. We will see. But whatever happens, we're still anticipating a continuation towards the upside. So that is Euro AUD. All right. GBP AUD also anticipating a bit of a continuation of the trend. Euro AUD, we're anticipating the same thing, the continuation of the trend. All right. GBP NZD is almost there. Almost there. It might still continue up just a little bit, but I think it is there already. All right. And then if you look at EuroCAD, EuroCAD, of course, it has pushed. We anticipating this to go and test this resistance here, this range here, right? We're anticipating it to go and test that range. Of course, this is the a CAD pair, all right? So depending on what's going to happen over the weekend in the Middle East, it will react, of course, right? The oil will react, the CAD pairs are going to react. But if things remains the same, then we are still looking for that continuation to the upside. We might get a retest of this before we go up. All right, so EuroCAD, we remain bullish. We are still bullish on this one. So just a quick and simple one on the cross pairs. Euro AUD, we are bullish. In fact, on all of them, we are bullish. Euro AUD, EuroCAD, expecting one more push. Pound odd, one more push up. And GBP NZD also one more push towards the upside. All right. And yeah, so let's see what's going to happen with these cross pairs. Next week, we'll go back to your gold, your oil to see what's going to happen. But you're just waiting for the update on the Middle East over the weekends. Anything can happen. All right. And yeah, on that note, guys, we're hoping that you guys have been looking at these setups. They have been moving. They are moving. Some of them already reached the target. Some of them are already there. So hope you guys enjoyed the week. You had a good trading week this week. Let us prepare for next week. All right. Next week, obviously, it is the NFP week. It is a week that's going to be filled with economic indicators in between. So let's prepare for that. And we'll catch you guys back again on Monday. Cheers. Have a good weekend. Enjoy and good luck.